I get a hotel room with no microwave.
Well, she's ready to return to the wild.
This is crazy.
Plus, check out
Safe.
this baby bubble seal, giving an assist for mom
Refrigerator, of course. Food, but I want to warm up. I want to warm up my food. And I got some grub. Half a cheeseburger, wings. I'm gonna do this. Oh, I might have came up with something. Let me see, because if this can go in the oven, that means this might work. Let me see. I have to figure out how to get this to sit on there. Put some heat to it. Alright, I'll be back with part 2 when I figure out how to stand that up and hold the phone so y'all can see what I'm doing. My little tutorial on how to heat up something in a hotel room with no microwave. I pray I don't burn the hotel down. I ain't got enough whatever kind of insurance they make you have when you gotta get it.
My hope is that we can figure out how humans and bears can peacefully coexist. My name is Liz Branch.
So what I got is this is a pan, this, and some, excuse this one, I'm testing them earlier. So what I'm gonna do is wings. Put the wings on there. They good too. Atomic nuclear wing. I'm gonna try being careful so I don't knock my phone down. I'm gonna put this back, which I found this again from another meal that I had the other night. There's a little moist in there too. Then I'm gonna just try and see how it goes. So this can go in the oven. This should be able to take the heat from the iron. Let's check it. So far, so good. And the iron is hot. You can hear it sizzling. Steaming at the top. I don't know how long this is going to take, but I'm going to pause the video and I'll be back in a second. Let you know if it gets hot. As you can see, I didn't do anything much, but listen, I'm about to take it off real quick for y'all. 1 second. As you can see, it's steamed up. This ain't no, I mean, if you use common sense, you know it got hot. Yes. Yes. Yes, they're all hot. Yes, they're all hot. Even got a little crisp to them. Okay. Yep. Well, I just showed y'all what to do. You know, when you're in a hotel with no microwave, that was a little bit of water. I tried to put the steam on it. But I guess it's whatever type of iron you got, you know, to get this thing right. It took me about 7 to 8 minutes holding it. So if you can figure out a way to hold the iron up, you know, and just place that pan on top, but you got to order it from the right place to get this type of pan. I just so happened to get a salad or something, and I had this pan, so it pretty much made it easy on me. But you have to have the right pan to make this happen. Again, this is tutorial 1, how to warm up your food in the hotel room with no microwave. You need to know who I am. You can follow me anywhere. Red Caddy, man. Instagram, Facebook, whatever. Goodbye. Final product. I ate them fast too. You don't want to be sitting there trying to warm them up again. Eat them while they hot. Peace. Yeah, just let you know it really cooked. Stuck to the pan. Stuck burnt to the pan.